Dungog bisag layo. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you my friend. He actually put my sticker on his motorcycle already. So shout out to you. Pa-vlog ka ngayon.
Never listen when you won't listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resisting the help I need. Oh, I know I could have done better. Oh, to keep you next to me. They say to blame it on the weather. Oh, hell no. I could have done better. I could have done better.
Alright, so you guys wanted me to remove the Yoshimura and try an SC project on my bike. This is gonna be obnoxious. That is so loud. It's obnoxiously loud. Oh my god. Oh. You hear those pops, man. You hear those pops. Way more than the Yoshimura. I mean, the Yoshimura pops, but the SC is like a freaking cannon. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so the SC project. So what is an SC project? There's only two things I want you to remember when you hear the word SC project. Really loud and very premium. SC projects are known for being super noisy because they're usually used for MotoGP, and they look super premium. They look absolutely amazing. And I love the way this SC project sounds. But one thing that you also have to remember is the fact that as soon as you put the SC project on any motorcycle, all eyes will be on you. Why? Because it's loud, and it's very obnoxious. So yeah, this is what you guys could expect from a 2023 Suzuki Smash R with an SC project. This is the sound that you could expect. It sounds like a 250cc motorcycle, if not 250, maybe above, but nowhere near a 400, just like 250 or above. I love twisties. Twisties can be dangerous, but they could also be fun. If you're not afraid and if you know what you're doing in twisties, they could be fun. But if you're afraid and you don't know what you're doing, better not to drive on any twisty roads. Another thing to mention, guys, as soon as me and my team removed the Yoshimura canister and we put the full-on SC project canister on this motorcycle, what we did is we actually adjusted the carburetor as well into more rich than lean. So this motorcycle is running more rich than lean. Use the SC project respectfully. Don't over rev. Don't just keep revving and revving and revving. You're gonna attract so much attention to yourself. Rev respectfully, if you know what I mean. Gusto mo sticker?
Sticker dol.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you my friend right here. He actually put my sticker on his motorcycle already. So shout out to you. Mag-hi ka na lang sa vlog. Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Naka-vlog ka ngayon. Look at this bike, man. Oh, gorgeous. We can finally do some pulls on this lovely 2023 Suzuki Smash R. Let's go! Oh. Do you hear those pops? That is insane. Did you hear that one pop? It's Grabe! Ang lakas! Uy, Diyos ko Lord! Sarap pakinggan, tapos lalo na pag pumuputok siya, grabe yung tunog.
Magkano po rin ng tambot ko?
Dungog, bisag layo.
What do you gotta be nervous for? Do you think she'll run away? What you feeling drowning for? Little louder when you say time is over, yeah, shoulder. Waiting, I'm gonna sacrifice myself. Out of luck, giving up for some fires. Not enough being with you have to say. Can I find my speech? Can I tell the truth?